Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I set up the single upload interface on my Mac. So once you get the software going, you probably have to update it and you'll get something like this. So I already tested it out. I uploaded into my Teespring account and I just wanted to make sure everything worked before I made this video. So if you have any concerns or you need some help, right here you'll be able to get the information in the help section. So I just did a quick start guide. So to begin with, you will need a software that will let you create CSV files. So you need some CSV files. Now I decided to use the Max Numbers application. As you can see, this is what I created. Another option besides using numbers is Google Sheets. So docs.google.com spreadsheets. And right here, you can start one up and you can do the same thing I did here with numbers application. And as well, you can use it at Excel. You can probably download an Excel version for Mac. So when I created the file, I basically decided to include title, description, tag, price, and path. Now all the designs I uploaded were in this design folder. Now where did I get this path? So I pretty much right clicked on the first file. So my first design is, I titled it triangle, description space, abstract triangle space. So this is what I got from using looking at this design. Now these designs I got it from Vexel. So Vexel offers licensing for you to use these images on several print-on-demand platforms. I'll put a link down below in the description area if you want to check it out. It's a monthly fee you have to pay to have access to these images, so you can use them on any of or most of the print-on-demand platforms. So I right-click, get info, and then right here I have the information I need. I'll copy it. That's it. I'm going to just do this again. So what I did, pretty much selected it all, pasted. Now I do have to add the image title. So I'll put the file name right after where it is. So I clicked, I copied everything, including the PNG, copy it, and then paste it at the end. So that's where the image will be able to be uploaded from. I'm going to go back to the single upload interface, and I decided to use, there's two options. So you can just use upload a CSV with no headers. So the headers would be this title, description area. If you do that, I believe you'll have to map accordingly of what each one of these belong to. But I decided to use with headers, so basically just clicked, boom, open, and pretty much this is what I got. Now I already uploaded into Teespring, so what I did right here is you select with the headers. So what's the title? The title is the header that's called title. The description is the header that's called description. In the previous one I uploaded, I just decided to test it out with just a classic T. I chose just black, and that's for the price. I just picked price as the column it would have to get the price from, as well as the price for EU. And now for the picture, so the image it's going to be uploading, it's going to be on the path section. So right here is where it will get the image from to be uploaded. And then you go to upload, you pick Teespring, start uploading. It'll tell you to log into your Teespring account, and then there you go, and it starts uploading. So right here I have those three designs: sun and moon, triangle, and stock market, that I uploaded using the single upload interface. So now I'm going to upload these same designs onto my Redbubble account. So the picture, so I'm going to choose the path. This is where the image is from. Background color, I'll just stick to black. Markup percentage, I'll just leave it at 20%, I guess. Now each one of these is fairly different depending on the platform you're uploading. Where do I get the title? I get a title from the title, tags from tag, description from description. I'm gonna leave these blank. So now I'm gonna not do all of these. I'm gonna do most of these actually. So I'm just gonna look for apparel. Right. So we have standard t-shirt, large t-shirt, sleeveless tops, graphic tee, dress. So graphic t-shirts, sleeveless tops, large print clothing, standard clothing. Yes, let's see how that goes. Is this mature content? No. Okay, so we got this set up for Redbubble. Now let's go to Uploader tab. Right there, already clicked Redbubble, and then let's start uploading. So right there, it tells me to sign in to my Redbubble account. All right, so I successfully was able to log in. Now it's submitting the designs onto Redbubble. So right there, you'll just give it a few minutes. All right, work was uploaded, so let's just close it. I'll go into my Redbubble account, see where are my designs? Manage portfolio. And there we have it. Our 3 designs that we just uploaded. So let's have a look. Acrylic block and coasters. So did I choose that? Acrylic block and coasters. So if I go to Redbubble, oh, I did. I forgot to uncheck that. So there you go. So Merchant Farmer currently offers services for Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, and more to come. Hopefully, they will be adding TeePublic. That's another one I use. So I'm hoping they'll be adding that in the near future. But the concept of this is to initially do all the work like this right here with all your designs, get all the information there, and then be able to upload on all of these all at once. So this pretty much just helps you speed up your the process of uploading your designs onto several marketplaces. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that is it for today's video. I hope this helped you if you were debating to get the single upload interface or not, or if you already have it and you have a Mac and you weren't really sure how to proceed with some of the software you might need. All right, So that is it for today's video, and I'll see you next time.